Hi. Say hi, buddy. What do you think? Huh? Get the hiccups? Get the hiccups? Whoa. What is that? What is that camera? Hmm? Smile. 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 Got the hiccups. Any team that he's ever played with, he's never been on a team that's good enough to survive the game. I just think he might succeed. Yeah. Smile. Smile. Does LeBron want to be the reason for winning too, or they both keep saying they both? What do you think? All I want to do is win. If all you want is a but, there's always a but, especially in the NBA. I have a friend who's an executive who says got the hiccups. Everybody says yeah. To win. In the U.S., coaches like that now do this. They say, but what? What's the but? And this goes to Alpha Dog. This goes to the city it is, whose team it is. Colty. Cole. Hey. 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 Come. Hi. Hey. I don't think it's a laugh. Yeah. Yes.